Heterotrophic Nutrition. Hetero, other, trophic, nutrition. So it literally means nutrition obtained from others. A heterotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which organism cannot make its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water and depends upon other organisms for its food. Most bacteria, fungi, and all the animals have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Those organisms which cannot make their own food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water and depend on other organisms for their food are called heterotrophs. A heterotroph is a consumer which gets its nutrition from other organisms. That is, heterotrophs depend on autotrophs and other heterotrophs for their food.